So guys, it's around 5:25. It's November 30th. I'm going to hop into QuantCrawler in Asia Gold. This is always where between this 5 p.m. Pacific and 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time is where I've always made the most money using QuantCrawler, and it's always been on gold GC full-size contracts. So let's hop over to QuantCrawler. I'll show you exactly how I set it up, how I run the charts, how I do everything in there, and then we'll take a trade. I'm going to be using my TopStep accounts tonight. They're 3 combine accounts. They're brand new. They're copy trading each other. So I'm so confident in this working that I'm going to actually just set it with a $500 stop loss and a $1,000 take profit, my 1 to 2 risk to reward. And if they hit, we're going to be happy and we'll be done for the night and get ready for New York Open tomorrow. So let me show you exactly how I run it, how I set all of this, what we do with QuantCrawler, and how we get them positioned, and we'll go from there. All right, so I'm going to show you guys here a QuantCrawler trade in Asia Gold. I'm on my TopStep account right here. I have a couple new combine accounts. These three are copy trading each other. So we're going to go GC. I'm going to get, this is my fifth, actually, let's go to the 15-minute right here. We'll kind of truncate this down. And as what I'm doing is I'm taking this, the current candle on the 15, and I'm trying to get it as close as I can over here to where it says GC. I'm trying to squeeze as much chart data as I can right here going back. And even for the sake of this, I'm going to turn the volume off as well just to make sure that it doesn't get confused. I don't think you need to do that. It's not supposed to take that into account, but um, this is the QuantCrawler dashboard right here. You would just click futures and it'll open up this one. And then you want to paste in your largest time frame first. So we're doing a 15-minute. Then this is the 5-minute. And then we will do our 1 minute. And on the 1 minute, just so it doesn't look so flat like this, you want to just go to your price and kind of expand it. Let the model know that it has some movement. You just don't want it to assume that it's choppy. If it thinks it's choppy like this right here, it's going to take that into account in because it's looking at the actual movement. It can't tell what these volume numbers are compared to over here because it goes in values of 20. So when you're scrunched in like that. So anyways, you want to be probably about like right here. Show it there's some movement and then paste it in. Okay, so it is saying right here, gold price 4279. It's right around there. I think it's moving a little bit on our 1 minute. So we're kind of popping around right here. It would have been right. It says 90% confidence to go long. We're going to do a single contract of gold, 2 point stop with a 4 point return for $200. I'm actually going to be doing $500. So I'm going to reply back and say 500 just so it gives me this figure right here is part of the framework. It stays at 200. That doesn't adjust based on what you do, but you can see right here on the risk, $500 total. So a 5 point stop with a 10 point take profit wants us to enter at 4256. I don't wait on these for pullbacks. I'm not going to wait for that. Um, it wants it to drop $20. I'm not going to do that. It's calculating that off the support and resistance lines. So some people like to wait. I do a little bit more risky, so I'm not going to wait. I'm going to just probably see if this is going to continue. If this trend pulls back, I'm going to watch it for a minute. Maybe I'll let it drop a little bit more, but if it does hit my zone, I think I'm going to set this right here, probably at the bottom. If it comes back and hits anywhere close to this, I'm just going to take it. But again, waiting for 4256 would be, all the way down here. I'm not waiting for a pullback all the way down to that. So we'll just keep watching, and it will either get right here, or if it comes back to this line, I'm gonna probably just snap enter. And that's the part with QuantCrawler. You have to kind of make your own, trader discretion. It is an AI model and framework that I've built. Basically, the AI model gives the call and gives the chart pattern, the support and resistance, and the direction it thinks it's going. And then all that data comes back to the framework. It starts running all the calculations, and that's how it's kicking these out. Um, so you do have to have a human element still in play of what you think, as a trader. This isn't like plug and play, where you can just set it and forget it type thing. Once you're in the trade, you can do that. But as far as like this part, you need to do your part a little bit too. So I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna mute my mic, and then, like I said, when it either hits here, I'm gonna enter, or if it hits this line, I'm gonna enter as well. We're gonna take our long position. Okay, so there we are. We're gonna go ahead and go in right here. I'm gonna remove this bottom line, and we're gonna take our quant crawler trades. So let's see how this one plays out. Oh, look at this. We need to bring this up to break even. This isn't too bad, huh? We're gonna set at this bottom ledge. No matter what, we're gonna conserve 360 bucks. If we could get, I mean, I could close it right now and we would be in a very good spot. But I actually, well, I was just gonna say I'm gonna move that because I'd like to get it a little bit higher. But check this out. Like, check this out. This one's up 996. This one's up 996, and our main account up 996. So in the time that I walked away, I talked to my wife for a couple of minutes and I grabbed a soda and came back and sat down. I this video has been recording for 18 minutes and that's $3,000 and that's 100% quant crawler. Anybody else want to tell me in the comments that this doesn't work? I'm showing you videos like live every day of this happening. I mean, come on. Let's go.